I created my profile, and then I think like literally the next day someone contacted me and they said, oh, we need some help writing ad copy. And I was like, oh, that's cool. I've never really done that before. Clicked into the profile, saw that it was writing ad copy for Wish, which is like Amazon or Temu. ChatGPT didn't obviously exist at this time. So like literally manually writing copy. And then I saw like scroll down what they were paying, $8 per ad for like piece of the ad copy that you wrote. And I was like, oh my God, so this is going to be a speed thing. I accepted it because needed the money. It was so humbling. Like there's no roles that I ever necessarily think I am beneath, but for where I was at in my career to now just solely be writing ad copy, I was like, this feels like 2 steps backward and a slap in the face. But you know, what's a gal to do? She's got to pay her rent, got to eat. I was like, all right, cool. Like ad copy it is. I remember like getting briefs and it was like, oh, we need to sell this magnetic mosquito net. This title has to be like 50 words. The subheading is like 250, body copies 500. If you go over that, you're not getting paid.
Whoa.
It was really hard to, you know, have a look at, like, I felt like I was finally climbing the ranks in my career and getting to the point where I was like, okay, this is, you know, I've got a little bit of footing. I'm starting to go. And then to just get kicked back and be doing this role now. And I think too, just questioning of, okay, so this is maybe going to get me through the next 2 or 3 months. Then what am I doing? Then everyone's coming out of lockdown. No one's probably going to be hiring. Like there was such a fear and an anxiety of, is this going to end up being like a 6-month career break until the world basically rights itself again?